Vision Forward's In Focus team presents.
Hi, this is Luke Scriven here at Vision Forward, and welcome to another In Focus deep dive video.
A deep dive into the Orcam MyEye 2.0.
In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Orcam MyEye 2.0's facial recognition capabilities. And this is a really cool feature of the Orcam MyEye 2.0. It allows you to save people's faces, and then the camera is then able to recognize them whenever you look at them. So really cool. If you need an overview of the Orcam MyEye 2.0 in general, then please check out our tech demo video. It will give you an idea of the types of features that the device has and exactly what it is. So let's take a look at the facial recognition capabilities of the Orcam. The basic idea is that we can photograph people and then hear the name of that person. But in order for that to work, we have to actually have saved the person's face into the Orcam beforehand. If we haven't done that, then we will just hear whether the person is a male or a female. So let's go ahead and take a look at this person that I have here. Now, this is a picture. Not an actual person, but we can in fact do this same method on an actual person or on a picture if the picture is decent quality. So that's really quite impressive. So I'm going to take this picture here. We need to save this person into the Orcam. For the purposes of the demonstration, I'm going to say that this lady is called Doris, and so we're going to go ahead and save her as Doris into the Orcam. So let's give this a try. We're going to go ahead and hold up our person in front of us here. And I'm going to hold my finger on the touch bar. You should hear it start to take a number of pictures here.
Face learning. Please keep holding the bar for up to 30 seconds.
So now I'm going to let go, and it's going to ask me to name the person.
Please name the person in front of you after the beep.
Doris.
Doris. Touch to confirm adding person.
And now I'm going to confirm this person by tapping on the side once again. There we go. So now the camera has learned who this person is. Now there's different ways that we can set up the Orcam to identify people. The way that I have it currently set up is manual detection, and that means that I have to take a picture of the person before the camera will say their name. The nice thing about this is I have complete control over when the camera says the person's name. The bad thing about it is that I have to manually do it. The camera won't just say the person's name whenever it sees them. So let's try this. I'm going to hold up this lady's face again, and we're going to look toward her. I'm going to tap on the side, and hopefully it will say her name, Doris. Fantastic, so there we go, we heard the name Doris. Now there's a few different ways that you can set up facial recognition with Orcam. In the demonstration that I just did, I had it set to manual, which means I have to take a picture of the person and then it will identify the person for me. But we can also set it up to automatically recognize a person. So whenever the camera sees the person, it will say their name, whether or not we've taken a picture of them. And we can also set it to fully automatic, where whenever it sees a person, it will say either their name if they're saved in the database, or it will say their gender if they're not saved in the database. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can change that for ourselves. And the first step is to go into the settings menu. I'm going to go ahead and wake up my Orcam.
Waking up. Battery is 73% charged.
And to get to the menu, we're going to hold down the power button, and we're going to swipe on the touch bar at the same time. Then we're going to let go of the power button, and that will put us into the menu.
Main menu. Reading rate menu. Touch to select or swipe for other settings.
Now to move through the menu, we can swipe on the touch bar to move through different menu items, and we can tap on the touch bar to select a menu item. Now we want to go to the facial recognition settings menu, so I'm going to swipe on the touch bar until we find that part of the menu.
Or swipe for other settings. Volume menu. Touch to set reading settings menu. Touch to language settings menu. Touch to gesture settings menu. Touch to face settings menu. Touch to select or swipe for other settings.
Okay, so we found the face settings menu. Now we're going to tap to go into it.
Face settings menu. Touch to change face recognition settings or swipe for other options.
The first option is touch to change face recognition settings. This is what I want, so I'm going to tap to select that.
touched. Face recognition settings determines in which cases a face will be announced either manually by touching, automatically for all known faces, fully automatic which announce the gender of unknown faces, or not at all. Face recognition is set to automatic. Known faces will be automatically announced. Touch to confirm or swipe to change.
Okay, and I heard all the different options there. To move between the options, I can swipe on the touch bar.
Touch to enable fully automatic face recognition, or swipe for other options.
Okay, let's choose fully automatic here. I'm going to tap to confirm that.
Face recognition is set to fully automatic. Continuing to next menu entry. Touch to set face repetition time, or swipe for other options.
So now we've selected that, it's taken us to another part of the menu where we can change the face repetition time. And what this is how often the camera will repeat a person's name while we're looking at them. I'm going to tap to go into this part of the menu.
Face repetition time sets the amount of time to wait before announcing the same person again. The current wait period is 2 minutes. Touch to confirm or swipe to change.
So the current wait period is 2 minutes, and this means that while I'm looking at somebody or talking to them or whatever, every 2 minutes it will repeat that person's name, okay? Now this might get annoying if we're talking to them for a long time, so we can change that period in the menu here. We're going to swipe to hear some of the other options that we can choose.
Touch to set wait period to 5 minutes, or swipe for other options. Touch to set wait period to 10 minutes, or swipe for other options.
Okay, let's choose this. This means every 10 minutes the person's name will be repeated. Let's tap.
Face repetition time is set to 10 minutes.
And there we go. So now we have selected every 10 minutes. So that means that every 10 minutes the camera will repeat that person's name. Now we could have also set that to 5 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes. So we have a lot of options as to how often the camera will repeat the person's name. And so because it repeats their name automatically when it's in automatic mode, it might get annoying if it says it too often. And so we can adjust that to whatever works best for us. Well, thanks a lot for watching this deep dive video on the Orcam MyEye 2.0's facial recognition features. They work really well, and it's just a case of really getting it set up however works best for you. If you want to know more about Orcam or any other assistive technology device, then please feel free to get in touch with us. You can call 414-615-0103. You can also send us an email, infocus@vision-forward.org, or visit our website, vision-forward.org. If you stay tuned to our YouTube channel, we have new videos coming out every Friday, so please hit the subscribe button so you can keep up to date with those. And in the meantime, I hope you have a great day.